Hi, first graders. Let's do some sound spelling again. And we're really trying to get these sounds inside our brain. So I'd like to go through just a few pink cards with you. And if you have a chance, go look at some of my other videos that have those 2 pink cards. That would be really great for you to do too. But these are the ones we're going to be working with today. So let's say them together. Ing, ing, ing. Looked, t, t. Loved, d, d. Waited, ed, ed. Oi, 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 as in boy. Oi, 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 as in oil. Ow, 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 as in cloud. Ow, 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 as in cloud. O, 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 as in bow. As in book. Ooh, 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 as in moon. Ooh, 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 as in jewel. And that's it for today with these. Now let's do our sound spelling. Get your paper ready. And I have 6 new words for you. The first word is a 6-letter word. The first letter, S, S, S. Oi, 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 as in oil. L, l, l. D, 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 as in loved. All right, and this is what it should look like. S, oi, l, d. Oiled, soiled. Soiled, there you go. Soiled means something got really dirty, soiled. Okay, the next one's easy. 3-letter word. Oi, 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 as in oil. L, l, l. So it looks just like that, doesn't it? Oi, ol. Oil. Now your next word is a 3-letter word. The first letter is a person's name, or this is a person's name, so make sure you start with a capital, right? Names begin with a capital. So the first letter, oi, 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 as in boy. So it's a person's name, so we're going to start with a capital. Oi. Roy. Your next word is an 8-letter word. The first 2 letters, the 2-letter N. 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 J. J, j, as in jelly beans. Oi, 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 as in boy. And then the 3-letter ing. And this is what it looks like. This is the 2-letter N, E-N, j, oi, ing. Enjoying, enjoying. All right. Your next word is a 7-letter word. Your first 2 letters, sh, sh, sh. Ow, 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 as in cloud. T, t, t. Ed, 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 as in waited. You have it? Shh. There's that H, brother. Ow. T. Ed. Sh. Out. Ed. Shouted. And then your last word, 5-letter word. First letter, j, 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 like jelly beans. Oi, 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 as in oil. N, n, n. T, t, t. And this is what it looks like. J, oi, n, t, j, oint, joint. Joint, kind of like what kind of restaurant joint is open. So a joint can be a place, right? All right, I have 2 sentences for you, and I'll say them a few times. If you need to stop the video, you can stop the video to get caught up, all right? Your first sentence, and begin and end it correctly, right? Begin with a capital, end with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Okay, your first sentence. I am enjoying my family. I am enjoying my family. Now really think about the word family. Family. I am enjoying my family. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? You can finish that too, but let's do leader reader a second. All right? If you need to stop it to finish that sentence, you can, but let's do leader reader. I think that will help you. I'll say it, you say it. Soiled, soil, oil, Roy, enjoying, shouted, joint. Let's do it one more time. I'll say it, you say it. Soiled, soil, oil, Roy, enjoying, shouted, joint. All right, I'll say that first sentence one more time. You can double check it. I am enjoying my family. All right, your last sentence, begin and end it correctly. Roy's jeans, so the jeans belong to Roy. Roy's jeans are soiled from oil. Roy's jeans are soiled from oil. Roy's jeans are soiled from oil. Now really think about Roy's jeans. Just like if you were thinking about Mrs. Groenboom's desk, the desk belongs to Mrs. Groenboom, so there would be an apostrophe S on that, right? Because it's showing possession. So Roy's jeans, the jeans belong to Roy, so make sure you do that apostrophe there. Roy's jeans are soiled from oil. All right, have Mom and Dad check it, and I'm actually sending Mom and Dad a copy of this so that they know what it should look like too, all right? We'll see you later. Miss you. Bye-bye.